Hi, this is Sean from Hertel's Coins, and tonight we're going to be talking about a recent submission to PCGS, which is gold coins. We just got back a recent submission from PCGS. It took a little bit longer than anticipated, almost 2 months for this to get back. Got a few gold coins, old pre-33 US gold coins that resubmitted, and hopefully we get some good grades out of it. So let's see what we got. Alright. Got our handy dandy paperwork. Alright, let's see what our first coin is. First up, we got a 1909 2.5 dollar Indian, and it came back in an MS63 holder, which is really, really nice. Indians are, to me, one of the hardest pre-33 coins to grade, and that's just because of the strike of the coin. A very, very nice coin. Very happy with this grade. You can see the mint luster still on the coin, especially in the reverse, which is very, very nice. All together, nice grade for the coin. Very happy. So let's see what else we got. Next up, we had a 13S, which is a little bit harder date to get. Really nice detail left of the coin. And very smallly, you can see the S mint mark on the left-hand side right there. Very small. And we got an AU55. Nice grade. So another nice 2.5 Indian we got. Or this was a $5 Indian, I'm sorry. So another nice Indian for the collection. Next one coming up is a 1908. Very, very nice mint original luster. Yeah, I had 4 coins got graded that I had sitting for a while. Usually I get one piece every few months that's really nice, worth getting graded. And I finally sent them off. And this one came back in an MS65. Nice coin. So these coins are not crackouts. They're originally, this is the first time submitting these coins. So this one's very nice. And lastly, we got a 1907D $5 Liberty. Again, very nice mint, original luster on the coin. Reverse, just as nice as the front. And you can see that D mint mark right below the eagle. Nice coin. And we got an MS64 out of that. Another nice coin. So we just sent 4 gold coins off, and they all came back in 4 really good grades. No details this time. So it's hard to get 100% on grading sometimes. Sometimes you get ones that are questionable color or cleaned or scratched. But these all came back in nice original condition. So very nice coins. Very happy with what I got. Thank you for joining us. These will possibly be on the website soon. Somebody might be interested in buying these, but hopefully, I can share this with you and put them on our website at hertelscoins.com for sale pretty soon. Thank you for joining us. We'll have more future videos of our PCGS unboxing. I know I've got a few more to go. I've got a few submissions coming back, so I'll definitely be glad to share that with you guys. Thank you.